Dear students, in this section we will see disconnected operation in mobile cache maintenance schemes. So in order to increase the utility of mobile computers, it's highly desirable that users are able to continuous working on their task irrespective of the state of the connectivity. But however, the problematic situation is there when the application data is shared by several others clients also. Okay, so disconnected computing is possible or it is permitted whenever some information is better than no information at all, or in other words we can say that if the data availability is more important than the data consistency. On the other hand, when obtaining current data is important, then disconnected operations should not be permitted. When there are requirement of current data, in that case we cannot use this disconnected operation. So in distributed system design, a trade-off exists between the availability and consistency. So the CODA file system provides the support for a disconnected operation on the shared file system in Unix. The goal is to support file operation even while the user is disconnected from the network. So in this case, caching at clients is used with the server replication to improve the availability of the data. So here CODA uses the two mechanisms for cache coherency. First is when the client is reachable from at least one server. When the client is reachable at least at the one server, a callback mechanism is used, and when disconnection occurs, access to possibly stale data is permitted. Okay, at a client means that data which is cached at that client is used when the client is disconnected from the server. And on reconnection, only those modifications at the client are committed which do not cause any conflict. The CODA clients hold files while they are connected to the data server. Hoarding is a cache maintenance scheme to facilitate the disconnected operation. This hoarding facilitate the disconnected operations. So the main issue in hoarding are what data items to be hoard, use the prioritized scheme with user assigned priorities on the data items, and second is when and how often do we perform hoarding. Third issue is how do we deal with the cache miss when the data is not found in the cache memory, and the fourth is how do we reconcile the cache version of the data item with the version at the server. So here the CODA uses a prioritized scheme to determine what to hold. It uses the user assigned priorities on the data items along with the data access pattern information. So this CODA uses the priority that is given by the user. So it gives the importance to the user. So this is the disconnected operation. Thank you so much.